We're here at a moringa tree. We're supposed to get a freeze tonight, so we're going to harvest all of our moringa so we have moringa in the winter. We'll cut the little branches off and use them and put them in the bags to dry. So here's our first branch, our first trunk. I'll bring it up there. Here's our big boy. That one's over 20 foot tall.
Remember, it's attached to the... God, that thing's huge. Alright, so now all we gotta do is start clipping. We're gonna save some of the branches and attempt to propagate them from cuttings. Now we understand that they're supposed to be stronger if they're grown by seeds, but we're gonna give the cuttings a try and see if we can get any to take. Okay, now Amy is going to start cutting the branches, and we're going to use some of these to try to propagate. You're not going to hear Amy talk much in these videos. She lost her voice from being sick. Amy harvesting more of the leaves. Got a lot of flowers too.
Yeah. And over here, we're trying to propagate. What I've done is just filled these pots with soil and sticking some of the branches in the soil, and we'll keep them wet and keep them in the greenhouse all winter, and hopefully we'll get some of them to take root. This is our first attempt to do this, so we'll see how it goes. It's supposed to get down to 29 degrees tonight, so we had to cut short what we were doing and rush around and make sure everything was covered up. That's the Sugarloaf pineapples. We wasn't sure what temperature the Mexican mint tree can take, so we got it covered up. Covered up Jacobacaba. Covered up my white jade pineapples. We cut back and covered up one of my hibiscus. The cranberry hibiscus we cut back, covered with mulch, along with my dinner plate hibiscus. Our other two little hibiscus here, we did the same thing. We covered up the dragon fruit. There was a dragon fruit here we got covered up. A little bitty one we covered up with some wood mulch. Covered up our ice cream banana bloom. It's already gotten too cold for our watermelons, they died, but our pumpkins are doing good. We covered them up just in case. The Everglade tomato plant, the giant Everglade tomato plant, we covered it up just to protect it. And our lettuce, we covered the lettuce, protect it from the freeze. We harvested and cut back a lot of the Cuban oregano, and we took a lot of it for cuttings. I'm leaving this one just to see how hardy it is with the cold. So we'll see what that's going to do. And I also have a small dragon fruit there that I want to see how it does. I don't think it's going to get cold long enough to really do it too much damage. So this is kind of a test on it.
We're leaving our herbs exposed.
We're leaving all the herbs exposed because, you know, it's too easy to start those with seed. Our moringa, we covered the stumps up with wood chips. You can see here and there where we've got those covered up. And then all of our cuttings that we took a lot of cuttings off the Everglades tomatoes, the cranberry hibiscus, you can see we have cuttings galore in the greenhouse. The greenhouse is really coming in handy for all of our cuttings. And I have a little heater back there that should keep this well above freezing, so it doesn't hurt any of our new cuttings. That's just a quick update that we're doing. Just to let you know how we're dealing with the freeze warnings tonight.
And tomorrow night.
And tomorrow night. Amy, the cold really gets to her. She's all bundled up. Also, she's sick. And I'm still in a t-shirt and shorts and sandals.
Let me show you guys. Look at this. And he says he's not cold.
Well, if it's over 40 degrees, I'm good with shorts.
Oh.
All right, if you like that video, give us a thumbs up, like and subscribe. We also are on Twitter, Facebook, and Instagram. And we also have a Facebook group where you can post your own pictures and also make comments and help other people grow something for your family.